Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am at the HPBA Hearth Show at the Supreme booth. I love Supreme wood products. They are a family owned business that is made up in Canada, so our North American friends. Featured here we have the Novo 18. This is a beautiful contemporary freestanding wood stove. It is going to be featured here on the podium. So the top box is sold and then you get to pick your bottom. You can do the podium, which has the log storage, or they also have these benches as well. They have a 36-inch bench or a 56-inch bench that the top of the stove can be sat on. This stove does also have an option for a soapstone top if you want to add that for a little extra heat retention. This is just going to be shown with the base model. Inside the firebox, they do have cast iron brick linings. Well, they're cast iron with a brick pattern, I should say, but it is solid cast iron. This is super nice because you're going to get much longer heat retention than you got with the previous models that just had the stainless steel on them. So that's a very nice feature. These cast iron panels are also super durable. Now, some other changes that happened inside the firebox is they did replace the top air tubes with this single baffle system that has the reburn air holes in it. So that is a super nice feature because number one, when you're loading the firebox, you're not going to hit those air tubes. Number two, it's less replacement parts. Number three, when you go to clean it out, you can just pop out this top baffle and it's going to make it super easy to clean it. So I'll go ahead and try and, oh, their light's not working. Yeah, so it's got a really decent sized firebox here for an 18-inch model. Nice thick gasketing on the door. Here you can see this nice cast iron lining. It is super durable. The top is going to be the stainless steel baffle that I'm talking about that has, you can see the air holes. This is going to give you that secondary combustion that you used to see from stainless steel air tubes. So really, really nice. It cleans it up. And that's going to have just a solid steel bottom for the firebox. These are going to be your damper controls located at the top. This is going to be your primary here for, over here for low and high, and then as well as your air wash in and out here. If you guys enjoyed these videos, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.